So, Democrats have been mocked as soy boys, but now research actually proves that Democratic men actually have low testosterone. This may explain why they want tampon machines in the boys' restrooms. In a 2025 study in the Journal of Brain and Behavior, an experiment was conducted to see if testosterone administration would influence the political preferences of 136 males. The researchers found that Democratic men who identified strongly with the Democratic Party had the lowest testosterone out of all the men, and that the administration of testosterone made them more Republican. They concluded that testosterone induces a red shift among weakly affiliated Democrats, providing evidence that testosterone affects political preferences. This was also substantiated in the Side Post article, which indicated that administration of testosterone to weakly affiliated Democratic men reduced their identification with the Democratic Party and made them lean toward Republican presidential candidates. And this was also substantiated in a dissertation study by a student at Claremont Colleges in 2022 in a study titled Essays in Behavioral Economics and Neuroeconomics. And CNN's own Dana Bash even admitted that the DNC is trying to reach men who are not so testosterone laden. You know, there's other ways to increase your testosterone, including weight training, since weight training has been proven to improve your testosterone among men, as well as eating a high-fat, animal-based diet, since low-fat diets have been proven to decrease testosterone. So there's another word for all these Democratic men that actually have this low testosterone. It's a condition called LBS, and it's becoming very common. So LBS stands for little bitch syndrome, and it's becoming very common amongst all these Democratic men. So this may explain why all these Democratic men want to promote transgenderism. They want males to be women's sports. They want tampon machines in these boys' restrooms. They want pronouns. They believe in 73 different genders, even though God created only 2 different genders. And another thing to note is that vegans are 3 times more likely to be Democrats than Republican. You can start putting the pieces of the puzzle together. So folks, testosterone is crucial for human development. It's essential for muscle mass, bone density, libido, and fertility. And research has proven that low testosterone levels can lead to reduced muscle mass, fatigue, and decreased libido. So females, if you're having some problems with your male in bed because he's wearing a white dudes for Harris shirt, you may want to switch over to the Republican Party. So if you're a man and you enjoy being a little bitch, then fine, stay as a Democrat. But I think this is a huge wake-up call for everybody. We need to improve the testosterone among the men in this great nation. So let's improve testosterone and let's embrace the red wave. So folks, eat meat, train hard, and let's make America great and healthy again.